I'm like loving this product by Evan. I think the smell will be really good. You can see it. So let's just open. I have received my January Bellabox, and hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So it's Sunday, 21st of January, and I have received my January Bellabox, and Bellabox is a monthly subscription box which is delivered direct to your doors. I think it's available in Australia and New Zealand. So let's quickly see which product I got. Very excited. It came last Friday, I think, and I'm in a mood of filming some videos today for you all. So it's a blue box. It's summertime. Literally, it's so hot, very hot. Let's see. Okay, first thing is this Super Lift Peptide Powder Face Lift Treatment Serum. Sounds good. So this says here skin tone is clear, contours are firm and plumped for fresher, younger looking skin. 40% visible reduction in wrinkles. Sounds like a great product. Can you see it? It comes like this. Literally can't wait to try this product. I'm like loving this product by Evan. This one I also got in Bellabox. Literally it's a simple size of 10 ml, but like I still have this much product left. Like small amount goes long way, and literally this product is really good. I like it. I'm like wearing today too under my makeup. This serum is amazing, and I think you can easily find the serum in Chemist Warehouse, and I think Priceline too. I'm not sure about Priceline, but this one is sold in Priceline, and I can't wait to try. So I'm going to try with you all in my upcoming video. So the next product I can see, it's a mascara by Maybelline. Okay. Like literally these days are so hot. Yesterday it was very hot, but today it's even hotter. I'm like keeping all the doors, windows, curtains, everything closed. I just quickly thought I'll get ready and film some videos for you all. And the next product is this Face Day Wear Serum Hydrating Dewy Finish. So it's ultra lightweight, very high protection serum sunscreen. Okay, I think I have used this product before, and I got this product in Bellabox. So it has like 50 plus SPF, so it's really good for this type of weather. And the next product is this Nose and Face Deep Cleansing Pore Strip. Okay, it comes like this, and it contains 14 packets, so you can use 14 times. And the next product is this. You sure will love this. Oh my gosh, this is Thermal Therapy Lip Balm enriched with Manuka honey, moisturizing and healing visible result in one day. Okay, so she loves thermal therapies like lip balms. It's her favorite one. Let's see. I'll call her soon. So yeah, this is it. So I don't know what's in this box. Okay, let's just see. What is this? Can you see? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So much good products are here. And what is it? Let's see. So it's by Thank You Hand and Body Wash, 1 liter refill, Botanical Sweet Orange and Almond. So I think the smell will be really good. You can see it. This is the refill. Okay, smells really nice, and it's hand and body wash. And the next one is this thank you hand wash, botanical geranium, rose and wood. So I think I'll use this one first. And oh, I got a refill bottle here. So I will put the details below in the description box if you want to see. Just don't want to rip this off because I have to take pictures for Instagram. And the bottle looks really cool. I'm thinking of changing everything in my kitchen white, like all the appliances and things, and let's see how it goes, because I just love white, because white looks so cool. And this refill is a hard plastic bottle, but it's so cool. You can see. Okay, so it says here bottle made of 100% recycled aluminum, so it's not a plastic, it's an aluminum bottle. Next thing is the thank you deodorant, and I also got a refill, coconut and santal. So this is the deodorant and this is the refill. Oh, it smells so good. So you just open here when it's finished, then you can just refill and use it. Just can't wait to try this. So yeah, and also I'm just going to share this, which I didn't open since I got this on Christmas Day last year. So let's just open today and see. I think keeps open. I got from Chemist Warehouse this Nike Woman Ultra Pink perfumed body lotion. Okay, it has such a good subtle smell. Shower gel, and the last thing is this Nike perfume. Gosh, so strong. Smells really good. So yeah, this is it for this video. Do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and until next time, bye.